Alrighty, today we are going to look through a recent project of mine, and it is called JavaScript ML. So this is what this project is, basically, is using JavaScript to create a machine learning model and then output it in a chart, all inside of an HTML doc. But it's using JavaScript throughout the whole thing. So I recently have started learning JavaScript, and so this was one of my first projects, and I wanted to go through it with you guys so that you could understand how it all works. So the first thing that you need to do is get VS Code installed. The last video I made talked about how you can install it a little bit. You install VS Code to be able to code, and then you also want to have some type of server, and I use XAMPP. It's a free open source platform for a personal server. Just search it up, and there you go. All it is. You can use it, and so XAMPP is really cool and allows you to do some stuff. Go. And this is actually my thing running on my personal computer, my JavaScript and my HTML right here. So basically, I'll walk you through my code. It's going to be able to get. So all it is here's some of the dependencies. It's pretty basic. It's got one button that triggers the script here. This is the JavaScript script. So what it does is it uses tensorflow machine learning to process the data, output in a machine learning way to find the predicted values. Anyway, this is just a little function to load the data. This is to process the data. This is to create and train the model that generates the predictions. This runs the machine learning. This whole function does the whole thing. Boop, 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 boop. And part of it is making a chart. So this is a chart. It'll output a chart that has green values everywhere it predicted. So it's a pretty simple project here. Let's see if it works. Bam! So the great thing about this project is it's kind of allows for lots of different data sets. So here is the data set it's currently using. It's predicting whether someone's a male or female based off their height and shoe size. So this is really simple. But you can also change it to use this, and this will predict their grade, basically, student. And this has their age, all of these different types of things, and I'll take all of these parameters and predict the target, which is the grade, so based off of all these different values. So you can just change that right there and run it, which is fine. And all these files are in my GitHub up here, and I hope this answers most of your questions. If you have any more questions, please DM me. Thanks so much.